Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch. To turn it on, press and hold the crown button. Keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on completely, like boots up. Okay, and once the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. Find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. And now you should see the QR code on the screen, which means we need to download and install the ZEP application on our iPhone. So, go to your iPhone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store on it. In the App Store, tap on Search, tap on the search bar and type in ZEP with 2 P's and tap on Search. And you should see this application, ZEP, Health and Fitness. Tap on it to select it and tap on the Get button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on Open to open it. In the app, you might see a couple pop-ups about the permissions, for example, the location permission. This one is not required, but if you want to use some features like local weather, tracking the activities on the map and stuff like that, you need to allow it. If you don't care, you can keep it denied. Next, we have the Bluetooth permission. This one is required, so allow it. And now you should see the login page, and basically we need to log in into a ZEP account. If you don't have an account, you can always make a new one by tapping on Sign Up, or you can use the third-party account to log in like Apple, Facebook, or Google. You can also use, I believe, Xiaomi account and Line. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And then we can tap on Sign In to log in. After you log in, you may see more pop-ups about the permissions for health and fitness activity. Basically, if you want to use fitness features, you will need to allow those permissions. If you don't care, you can keep them denied. Another notification permission, and this is useful if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. If you don't care, you can deny them. If you want to receive them, allow the permission. Here, tap on OK, and it will redirect you to the Health access. And here, if you want to use some of the features like tracking the heart rate and stuff like that, sleep, you will need to allow the app to write and read the data. I'm gonna tap on Turn on All, but you can customize it to your liking and then tap on Allow. And finally, once you're done with the permissions, you will see the homepage of the app. Now tap on the profile icon, select the Add Device, select the watch, tap on Agree, allow the permission for camera. It will open the camera app, and what we need to do is to basically point the iPhone's camera on the watch to scan the QR code, and after you scan the QR code, it's gonna start connecting basically. If you see this pop-up, tap on Pair, allow or deny the permission for the notifications, confirm on the watch. Here we can synchronize the data from our account. So if you had previously connected other devices to your account, you may synchronize the settings from them and restore the alerts and stuff like that. I want to set up this watch as new, but if you want to synchronize some stuff, you can check or uncheck the boxes and synchronize it by tapping on Synchronize Account Information. Now let's tap on Done. Done. If you see this pop up and you want to receive the notifications about calls, so for example somebody calls you on your iPhone, and that information will be displayed on the watch. If you want to use that feature and other like call features, you will need to tap on Go to Settings. It will open the settings for you. You need to tap on Bluetooth, and here wait for the list of other devices to fill in, and on it you will see the AMAZFIT Balance and some number. Once you see this device, you need to tap on it. Tap on pair, tap on the check mark. And once it says connected, we can go back to the ZEP application. And at this point, you should see your device page for your AMAZFIT Balance, which means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.